Hi, welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig by Bobbi. Boss, okay? Boss Lace Honey, first class. Hey-yer. Alright. That's what it say. It has a deep lace part for 4.5 inch part. And I am bringing y'all the new today. She fresh off the press, honey. Okay. And the color is a HL 613/627. Okay. And her name is MACARIA. MACARIA. Wait. Yes. Okay, and this is synthetic hair. It's heat safe. It even comes with some baby hairs. Let's unpackage her real quick. And if you would like to know about this unit, I have on my head right here. I should have a link to it or a video. When you get to the very end, it will show a video to this wig right here, so you can hear my thoughts on it. Okay. Here she go. Beautiful colors. It's gorgeous. Right off the bat, I am really liking the color. It has the money piece highlights in the front. Yes, honey. Let's get right into it. And one more thing, I also have this same exact wig in another color. It's like a beautiful raspberry oil slick color, and I was looking for it and couldn't find it nowhere. I'm trying to find out if the wig fairy came and snatched her up while I was sleeping and got it on her head. Let me catch her. Let me catch her, honey. Alright, anywho, whenever I find the wig, I'm going to have to do another review because I was going to have them both together. I was, honestly. Okay, so now, whenever I find her, and I'm going to have to go ahead and find that, I'm going to, definitely do another review on this wig. Okay, it's shedding a little bit. Don't tangle too bad. Now the one I have on, it tangles pretty bad. Probably due to the curl pattern and all that stuff too. So, let's go ahead and get this. Well, let me go ahead and get it on my head. Alright, I got her on my head and I am feeling this color. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. Okay, she's pretty long. Here she go. She is the bomb. Okay. Here is the parting. If you can see all that there. I like her. Yes, I do. Okay. Let me do 360. Let me move some of this stuff out of my way. Got wigs all over the floor, you know. I am doing quite a bit of reviews today to get all that out the way. Here's the side. Okay. The back. All right. And here is the other side. This is beautiful. Yes, it is. And yeah, like I said, it got the HD lace. Ooh. Honey, excuse me, I'm burping. Okay, and don't judge me by my mirror. I think I went through this on the other video. My children be getting my mirror and putting fingerprints all over the place, but I got fingerprints on the other side. I was gonna turn and be like, look, it's clean on this side. Okay, whatever. Y'all want to know about this unit right here, and I am going to let you know. Now that piece right there coming in is a little bit annoying, falling down, but you know, it's cute how it wings out. Pretty cute. I don't know what I'm doing over here. But yeah, it sheds a little and it doesn't tangle too bad at all. I can run my fingers through it, but it definitely sheds quite a bit. Okay. If you could see that. Alright. And my subscribers, the ones that's been following me, they know that I like my parts to be to this side. Okay. I don't really do middle parts ever. But I like that you can definitely switch her to the side. Okay. That you have options. Alright. This is gorgeous. Like I said, once I find the other unit, I will definitely do the review. I'm going to, after I finish all these units I will be going on a wig hunt, honey. A wig hunt. But this wig, she is knocking, okay? She's knocking, alright? She is gorgeous. I totally recommend this unit right here. I do. I totally recommend it. My face gets oily quite a bit. So if it's okay if I could go in on it, okay. Just go in on it just a little bit to knock some of the oil out. Just to knock a little bit out. So I am not trying to blind nobody with the shine, honey. Alright, but she beautiful. She beautiful. Yes. I got oily skin. Very oily skin. Alright, well this is the unit, honey. Alright. Gorgeous. Alright. Okay, well, that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review right here. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, okay? Like, share, and comment. Leave me a comment on your thoughts on this unit right here. Okay? Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you all so much for watching again. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.